I don't think it's ready yet, Owen. Gotta put this washer on.
You need more wheels first, Owen. Help Daddy put the wheels. Careful.
Where's this go? Owen, put this on.
No, I took a little nap a few minutes ago.
Owen, here. Over here, Owen. You put that on here?
Should I put the side strap?
Almost. Good job. You put one of these on now? Put it on here.
Not really needing to go to the grocery store with it. I know it's
Put on this one now.
We're putting together his belated Christmas.
That goes on this one, Owen.
Owen's been very helpful. Daddy.
This first. No, this way. I put that one aside. I'll do this one. What comes next? Get a part out of the box. Get a part out of the box, Owen.
Okay.
Get a white one. Get the white one. That's not white.
Where's the white one, Owen? The white one?
That's red. Not that one. Don't put that on. No, that's not it either.
Where's white?
Yeah, that's it.
So, that one's white.
Good job.